Hi, my friend. My name is Sherry Ruskis, and welcome to my YouTube channel and my garden here just outside of Boulder, Colorado in Zone 5. I'm excited through this channel to share with you not only my passion and love for gardening, things that happen in my garden, but we're going to be visiting other gardens. We already have a number of other gardens that we visited that's here on the channel now. And if you subscribe, all those good things, we will be able to get more to you. I am excited moving forward. We've got some great garden tours coming up of other people's gardens here in Colorado, California, and in the spring, we're going to France. Super excited about that. I've never been to France, and my husband Ed and I, who I share the gardening duties with here, we're going to be heading over there together. So I look forward to sharing that with you, with you my pooches, Abby and Luna, who are off sleeping somewhere right now, and just sharing this beautiful Colorado place we get to live and so many other places as well. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to hanging out with you a little bit more. So be sure to subscribe.